Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have another comparison for the Redmi Smartband 2. Previously, we do have the Galaxy Fit 3. And again, this is a special request for those who want to upgrade their Redmi Smartband 2. They want to check whether it is worth upgrading to another wearables such as HUAWEI Band 9 or the Galaxy Fit 3. They want to see if what is the difference between the Redmi Smartband 2 and the HUAWEI Band 9. So if you are interested to check if how your Redmi Smartband 2 compare with the HUAWEI Band 9, watch this video and drop a comment below if you have some queries. Okay, so let's start and check on the difference between the Redmi Smartband 2 and the HUAWEI Band 9. But before that, let's have a preview of the specifications. So I have here the specs of the Redmi Smartband 2 and the HUAWEI Band 9. And as you can see here, much wider body frame for the HUAWEI Band 9, but it is much shorter, much longer but much slimmer compared to the Redmi Smartband 2. For the weight, they have almost the same weight here, very lightweight. For the screen display, the same screen size, but with the HUAWEI Band 9, we do have an AMOLED screen display, TFT for the Redmi Smartband 2. Higher resolution here for the HUAWEI Band 9, having a 194 by 368 pixels with a 282 pixel per inch, compared to 172 by 320 by Redmi Smartband 2. For the sensors, the HUAWEI Band 9 is loaded with different sensors, as you can see here, while for the Redmi Smartband 2, we only have PPG sensor and accelerometer. For the Bluetooth connectivity, 5.0 here, 5.1 for the Redmi Smartband 2. For the color, there's a lot of options for the HUAWEI Band 9. And this is the body frame. This is for the body frame. While for the Redmi Smartband 2, ivory, olive, snazzy, green, blue, black, and pink, it's only for the strap. For the battery, the same battery life, 14 days with normal usage. Both do have a 580 mAh waterproof protection. Okay, so enough with the specifications. Let's go with the screen display or the design of both wearable. Alright, so let's have it side by side. As you can see here, they almost have the same size for the body frame. No physical button for the Redmi Smartband 2. We have here for the HUAWEI Band 9. As you can see, it's much elegant, professional looking. At the back, both do have a pogo pin. On the side, as you can see here, you can really see the difference. Curved body frame for the HUAWEI Band 9, flat for the Redmi Smartband 2. For the thickness, they almost have the same thickness here. Okay, so as you can see here, they almost have the same size. Okay, the Redmi Smartband 2 and the HUAWEI Band 9. So which do you think is better? Capsule-like body frame for the Redmi Smartband 2 when attaching the strap here. While for the HUAWEI Band 9, you have to press this one to unlock or to change the strap, to remove this strap. Again, let's have a closer look at the design. Okay, so let's proceed to the UI of both wearable. On top, we have the notifications for the Redmi Smartband 2, while for the Band 9, we have the access to settings here, or options, main options. On the bottom part, we have the notifications for the HUAWEI Band 9, While for the Redmi Smartband 2, we have the main menu. For the left side, let's see, we have the weather. Here we have the weather also, the same setup. Okay, on the right side, we have the different cards. Okay, cards also here for the Redmi Smartband 2, but it's only limited to music control and weather. Okay, left and right, the same with the Redmi Smartband 2, as you can see here. Okay, so let's access the main menu of both wearable. So on the bottom, swipe, press here for the HUAWEI Band 9. So the same layout here, workouts, and we have the activity, statistics. They almost have the same layout here. So blood oxygen, we have the sleep monitoring, we have the heart rate, we have the blood oxygen here, arrhythmia analysis, we have sleep monitoring. Okay, almost the same UI here set up, the same style as you can see. Then what else? We have the weather, let's see, notifications, stress, breathing exercises, simple menu options for both wearable, or simple UI layout. Find phone, timer, stopwatch, flashlight, find phone. Okay, you almost have the same options here as you can see. For the settings, we have the styles. Okay, that is the watch face. How about here? We have several options for the watch face and with support for always on display, which we don't have on the Redmi Smartband 2. Battery, brightness, do not disturb, we also have it here. Pin, we also have a pin here. Notifications, payment. Okay, so you see the difference. Then going back to the sports function, let's see. Workout. Okay, so we have the different sports functions here. Both do have a comprehensive list of sports function, as you can see. So if you are a lover of fitness, okay, if you love working out, I guess this wearable will satisfy your craving or your demand for different sports function. Going back, let's see if they have the same metrics. Outdoor run, go, start. So let's wait. So, okay, as you can see here, we have the time, we also have here the duration, heart rate, pace. Okay, so both provide the comprehensive metrics for its sports function. Stop, long press, again. Okay, and long press. Okay, and okay, for the health, let's see if they have the same style or UI for the heart rate. So beats per minute, we have the graphs here, highs and lows, much comprehensive here. For our HUAWEI Band 9, we have the graph here, but we also have it here on the Redmi Smartband 2. But I like the layout of the HUAWEI Band 9 compared to our Redmi Smartband 2. Okay, so that's it for the different features and menu difference between the Redmi Smartband 2 and the HUAWEI Band 9. So obviously this one is much better for the compared to the Redmi Smartband 2. But for price wise, I think the Redmi Smartband 2 offers the basic and other advanced features for an affordable price. So if you just want a simple wearable that tracks your walking as well as the health, you can go with the Redmi Smartband 2. If you want more options, go with the HUAWEI Band 9. But for the design goes to the HUAWEI Band 9. It's much more premium looking wearable compared to the Redmi Smartband 2. So that's it for the comparison between the Redmi Smartband 2 and the HUAWEI Band 9. If you have another special request or if you want to ask some questions about the Redmi Smartband 2 or the HUAWEI Band 9, just drop a comment below. Bye!